Hmm?
Hair? What kind of hair?
No hair. Hala. Ay, pupo. Hmm.
This also
I can
money
learn
and
money. I already two time I gave, I sent to the
only
brother.
$10.
Huh?
Like that, only $10.
$13. Because I'm not focused. If I my heart want to, I
Continue here or some dollar some here, some here.
yeah. And before last time, August 7, I sent to my brother. And then my brother gave by day of that.
Turn my nature otherwise 48.
Hello, Christopher. Hello, Abdul. Hello, confused. Hello. Show me what you want. Are you sitting and yes. Yes, I'm under of the fan. The fan is at the China Siko. I'm not China.
Yes, this is battery full. You see that?
Huh?
That is off. That is off.
If charge is off,
Yes, if red indication is off, so charging is full. Again, you do that, so then become on. Now you will see after few minutes it off, so then
it's full.
use the mobile and mic.
I'm fine. Hello, where are you? Purna, I'm from Philippines. But I'm here in Pakistan.
I think when it become full, so maybe it become white.
I don't know.
White, maybe. Okay,
Yes.
maybe check now.
You heard this? This kind of song, right? Hello,
Music.
Yes, music.
Why you doing music?
music is nice. I love you eternally. Tell me love, love you me. Please take my hand, gonna marry you today. Inshallah, you, my love is you. To my love, destiny unite in Mansud, you're Pakistani? Hear you today, inshallah. Hello, Malik. Hello. Hello, Ali. I'm fine. How are you both? How are you, all of you guys? Yes. Yes. Your husband. My husband name is Adnan. Mr. Muhammad, can you write? Huh? My Adnan is my chachu. Yes. Ruhan Ali. This Adnan?
Hello guys.
This is your chachu. This is Adnan. This kind of Adnan, so many Adnan. So I show your face. This is Adnan, your chachu.
Okay, done and show me 100 times.
Hello. Yes. My hand. Ask me to. Yes. Are you sure? Are you sure, Ruhan? Hello, create and color. Hello. Really? I don't know because I don't know. Who is your father? I know you're everything that I'm looking for. Time. My husband is here. He cooked the food. So hello Rohan Ali, welcome back. I readily reply you. Who is your father? Because I know only little. Yes. Your husband nickname is Guda. I know her nickname. His nickname is Guda. I'm asking who is your father? Huh? My husband. My husband. You read this. Who's this? Is Hassan. Her father is.
Ishfaq Hussain. So Ishfaq Hussain is not over any relative.
He's saying I'm nephew of your husband, Guda.
Ishfaq Hussain.
Rohan Ali.
Rohan Ali. This is my cousin living in Karachi. You know, we go to my cousin, another, he have two wives. Her nephew is this. Her brother, real brother, son name is. No. This is son of my cousin. Her mom is real sister of my mom.
Because
That's
she's
right.
saying, show me my uncle.
Ishfaq Hussain is brother of these two wives.
This.
You go to, he have two wives, I show you. Ishfaq Hussain is brother of this, and Rohan Ali
No.
is her son.
My father is cousin, is your husband cousin.
Yeah, Rohan Ali is her son. That's a YouTube channel he make her son name, but Ishfaq Hussain he send message. So he is brother of my this brother. They have two wives.
But he's saying her father is your my father is your husband cousin.
Yes. Her father and my father is cousin. Her father is my cousin. Now he talking my cousin's son. He talking you. He said Ishfaq Hussain, my
It's
father is
cousin.
your husband cousin.
Yes.
So this Ishfaq Hussain is brother of these two wives. Two wives.
Rohan Ali is
Yes. This is the son of
Son.
Ishfaq Hussain. Before he messaged Ishfaq Hussain.
no. He's saying her father is his Hussain.
Ishfaq Hussain is her father.
Yes.
So he is my cousin. And this is both his brother. Two wife he have this and this. He saying my father is your husband cousin. So I am just telling you he is my cousin, same he is my cousin. He both his brother real.
Yes, Jawad. I'm here in Pakistan.
You tell him I go to the your uncle home.
Your father home?
Shehzad. You tell him I meet your uncle Shehzad. Her name is Shehzad, have two wives.
Ah.
Her father and Shehzad is brother, real brothers. And both is my cousins. Because he both is real brothers. One brother you meet here, second brother is her father.
You are my chachi.
Huh?
You are my chachi.
Yes. Uncle means auntie. I am uncle, you are auntie. In Urdu language, chacha, chachi. Chacha mean uncle, chachi mean auntie.
Did he see me before?
No, he see you. But already all my relatives know about you. Who are you?
No, I was in real. He see
In real
me?
you not meet because he living in the Karachi.
Ah.
This is two wife he had. This is my cousin and brother of this son. Her father and he both his brothers. One brother you visit, second brother living in Karachi. Her son talking you. You are my auntie. My father is your husband cousin. That's why he see you.
Jawad Ahmad, which city you do live? What is your name?
Hello, Rohan. Hello, रोहन
It's your uncle Guda.
रोहन अपने बाबा को मेरा सलाम कहना अस्सलाम वालेकुम बोलना अपने बाबा को इशफाक को
Mangalore legend.
यू आर माई
I'm
चाची चाची मीन
from
आंटी
Philippines.
because he is my nephew and your nephew also.
I'm asking because I don't know. I know only this here, near of us. That's why I'm asking who is your father? Ah, I don't know that.
And when the outside market bring the protein
Okay.
and
Are you from China? No, I'm not from China. I'm from Philippines. Made in Philippines.
maybe you Philippines maybe you
Philippines made me.
mm,
Into the rise, into the skies. Yes, I'm from Philippines. I'm proud to be Filipino. I'm not Chinese. Why all Pakistani if can say you're from China?
my wife China and Philippines some people face is same Korean same Korean China Japanese this you see on the Google picture of different countries
China.
and you will see faces same
Walaikum assalam ji. Alrohan Ali.
let's see जी
Walaikum assalam.
हाँ रोहन अली बेटा अपने बाबा इशफाक को मेरा सलाम कहना हाँ biscuit, milk, cigarette. Now I buy the milk and cold drink like that. Why are you making it? I don't have money.
I give to Baba some, notebook, small
Yes.
notebook.
This I make notebook shopkeeper. When I buy something, keep right here, and then end of month I pay. Sometimes if I have no money, so I buy.
Would you telling experience about Pakistan? Huh? Pakistan date of birth 14 August. Okay. Wait me and see this. How I travel from Philippines to Pakistan. By airplane, I travel. Passport, visa, like that. So you can travel from Philippines to Pakistan, Pakistan to Philippines. That's it. If you don't have passport, visa, ticket, you cannot go anywhere. Yes, so funny asking. So funny question. To your eyes, I'm about to leave now. Rogelio Ruiz. Answer please. What is the meaning of? I don't know Rogelio Ruiz. This uncle is your husband. Huh? What do you mean? This uncle is your husband, really? Huh? I don't know what you're talking about. Your hair is so cute. Oh, thank you, Zawad. I'm single man in USA po. I'm Pinoy. Okay, love you always from sweet, handsome AG Pogi Vlog. You're a Pinoy. You're Filipino. And you're single. And you're from
Here is my documents.
USA. Good for you.
There
Huh? Hello, darling. Love you too, Jana. Johnny.
I put my documents. Bike and like this. But here, go.
From USA po, my loves. Always from
Here is my
sweet
documents.
handsome.
Here it is. Where's my documents? My wife give me some 1,000. I keep for buy something little if we need. My money is not finished.
What is the relation of the uncle who's sitting near me? He is my husband. He is my husband, near of me. So,
That is
Phones?
it's 100%, so don't no charge. It become
remove
battery,
it.
yes, battery become damaged. Overcharge will damage the battery.
yeah. Yes, my home.
Little something we need, buys for that again not need. Take out the parts. I not want to accept because so hard, so difficult I tolerate.
Why are you always telling that I'm... Huh? What telling you I'm single? I'm not telling lie. I'm not saying I'm single. Buang ka man. Jawad. Jawad Ahmad. Buang ka.
So I'm not single. This is my husband.
How I become single? How I become single? My husband beside me? Be my best friend po. Jawad, you heard properly what I'm saying, okay? Because I'm reading message, someone saying he is single, not me. Ay di punggol ka, Jawad.
This is your lead. Okay. And where is my lead? Same. This one is my lead. Maybe my father lead is important.
No, why? Why you asking? Summer, you come back again. Bye-bye for now. AG Casino, bye. Yes. See you tomorrow, Pinoy. Okay, see you tomorrow. I don't know if I settle here permanently or not. Huh? How is welcome to Pakistan? Nice to meet you. Thank you, Jawad. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. My experience here in Pakistan is some good, some bad. maluso man. Need more and more. Need more.
Hindi na plato.